Germany's $100 billion military comeback. Imagine a nation that was once completely forbidden from having an army, a country whose military had been dismantled after one of the deadliest wars in human history. For years, the world believed Germany would never again become a major military power. But today, everything is changing. Germany is investing more than 100 billion euros into rebuilding and modernizing its armed forces. New battle tanks, advanced fighter jets, powerful submarines, cutting-edge cyber warfare systems, and the latest military technology are transforming the Bundeswehr into one of Europe's most capable fighting forces. So why is Germany rebuilding its military? What forced one of the world's strongest economies to make such a historic decision? And how powerful is Germany's military today? In this documentary, we'll uncover the complete story of Germany's extraordinary military comeback. To understand today's German military, we first need to go back to 1945. The Second World War had come to an end. Germany lay in ruins. Entire cities had been reduced to rubble, millions of people had lost their lives, and the country's military machine had completely collapsed. After the war, the Allied powers dissolved Germany's armed forces. The country was divided into occupation zones, and strict limits were placed on any future military development. For nearly a decade, Germany had no national army. Instead of producing weapons, Germany focused on rebuilding its economy, repairing destroyed cities, and creating a peaceful, democratic society. Factories that had once manufactured military equipment now produced civilian goods. Roads, bridges, schools, and homes were rebuilt one by one. However, the world was changing once again. As tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union grew, Europe entered the Cold War. The possibility of another major conflict raised serious security concerns across the continent. Western leaders realized that a stable and secure West Germany would require its own defensive military force. As a result, in 1955, the Federal Republic of Germany officially established the Bundeswehr. Unlike the armies of the past, the Bundeswehr was built on democratic values, civilian control, and the principle of defending peace rather than pursuing conquest. Over the following decades, Germany gradually developed a modern and professional military. Its soldiers trained alongside NATO allies, adopted advanced military technology, and focused on collective defense instead of independent military expansion. Today, the Bundeswehr consists of the German Army, the Air Force, the Navy, Cyber and Information Forces, and Specialized Support Commands. Together, these branches protect Germany's territory, contribute to international peacekeeping missions, and strengthen NATO's collective defense. The backbone of Germany's military is its highly trained army. German soldiers undergo demanding physical training, tactical exercises, and advanced leadership programs designed to prepare them for modern combat environments. Their missions range from homeland defense and disaster response to multinational operations with NATO allies across Europe. One of the greatest symbols of Germany's military power is the Leopard 2 main battle tank. Recognized around the world for its exceptional firepower, heavy armor, and battlefield mobility, the Leopard 2 has earned a reputation as one of the finest tanks ever built. It has been adopted by numerous countries and continues to receive modern upgrades that keep it effective against evolving threats. Supporting these powerful tanks is the Puma infantry fighting vehicle, one of the most advanced armored vehicles in the world. Built with modern protection systems, powerful weapons, and sophisticated electronics, it allows infantry soldiers to move safely while remaining ready for combat at any moment. Germany has also invested heavily in self-propelled artillery, armored transport vehicles, engineering units, and advanced battlefield communication systems. Every new investment reflects one goal: creating a faster, smarter, and more capable military for the future. But Germany's military transformation does not end on the ground. Above the skies and beneath the oceans, another remarkable story is unfolding. Germany's $100 billion military comeback. Part 2. While Germany's army forms the backbone of its military, true national defense depends on far more than powerful tanks and armored vehicles. Control of the skies, protection of the seas, and dominance in modern technology have become equally important. The German Air Force, known as the Luftwaffe, plays a vital role in protecting the country's airspace and supporting NATO operations across Europe. Its most recognizable aircraft is the Eurofighter Typhoon, a fourth-generation multi-role fighter capable of air superiority, precision strike missions, and rapid response operations. With advanced radar systems, powerful engines, and modern weapons, the Eurofighter remains one of Europe's most capable combat aircraft. Germany is also strengthening its air capabilities by introducing new aircraft and upgrading its existing fleet. Transport planes, aerial refueling aircraft, and military helicopters allow the Bundeswehr to deploy troops and equipment quickly during emergencies, humanitarian missions, or international operations. Beyond the skies lies another critical branch of Germany's armed forces, the German Navy. Although Germany does not operate the world's largest navy, it possesses one of the most technologically advanced fleets in Europe. Modern frigates patrol strategic waters, while the famous Type 2-1-2 submarines are considered among the quietest conventional submarines ever built. Their advanced propulsion systems make them extremely difficult to detect, giving Germany a significant advantage during underwater operations. Germany's naval forces regularly participate in NATO missions, maritime security patrols, and international exercises designed to protect vital shipping routes and strengthen cooperation with allied nations. Another highly respected component of the Bundeswehr is its elite Special Forces Command, known as the KSK. These soldiers are trained for some of the military's most demanding missions, including counterterrorism, hostage rescue, special reconnaissance, and operations in difficult environments. Their training is among the toughest in Europe, requiring exceptional physical fitness, mental resilience, and tactical precision. But modern warfare is changing rapidly. Today's conflicts are not fought only with tanks, aircraft, and warships. Cyber attacks, satellite surveillance, artificial intelligence, and unmanned drones have become essential parts of national defense. Germany has responded by investing heavily in cybersecurity, digital communications, and advanced reconnaissance technologies to prepare for the challenges of future warfare. As global security continues to evolve, Germany is transforming its military into a force designed not only for today's threats, but also for the battlefield of tomorrow.